Hi there. Okay, so this short video is on lesson 3, order of operations. Okay, can you turn to page 12 in the power and exponents booklet, and let's give it a go. Okay. So this is going to be a nice review of what we've already done. Okay, so to avoid getting different answers when we're evaluating an expression, we use the order of operations. And we've already worked with PEMDAS or GEMDAS, however we want to use it, right? Regardless, we want to look for the parentheses or the brackets first, right? Then we do our exponents, then we multiply and divide from left to right, and then we add and subtract from left to right. Okay, and so that's exactly what we're going to do here. Okay, just now we're going to be thinking about the exponents and the powers that we're working with. Okay, so the first one here says 3 squared plus 2 cubed. Okay, so I'm going to do my exponents first. So 3 squared is 9, 2 cubed is 8, and we add those together, we get 17. Boom, that easy. Okay, here you have 3 minus 2 cubed. Okay, no exponent for the 3, so we just leave that as a 3. Subtract, and now we do the 2 cubed, so that is 8. 3 minus 8 is -5. Done. Okay, here we have one with a bracket, so we're going to do whatever's inside the parentheses first, and then we'll do the power. Okay, so 3 plus 2, that is 5 cubed. Okay, and what's 5 cubed? That is 125. Hopefully you're feeling pretty confident on your calculators to enter information. Okay. As the next one says multiplying and dividing with powers. Okay, so that x is multiplying. Okay, and then here we have some dividing. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you or point out to here is we have 2 kinds of brackets. We have round brackets and square brackets. Okay, and our square brackets are for operations, and we typically leave our round brackets for integers. Okay, so we'll always have the round brackets first, and then if we need a second set of brackets, we'll use the square brackets. Okay, so taking a look at this one, okay, so we have 2 brackets. We're going to look at this first brackets here first, which has a power. So we're going to have 2 times, so -3 cubed, well that is -27, okay, minus 6, and that's all squared. Okay. So next, I can't do this yet. I still have to work out what's inside here, and there's multiplication and subtraction. So multiplication first. So that is 2 times -27 is -54 minus 6 squared. Again, what's inside the bracket? That gives me -60 squared. Okay. -60 squared is 3,600. Perfect. Right on. Okay. So the next one we're going to do is with some dividing here. Okay. So again, we're going to do what's inside the brackets first, and then we'll do our powers. Okay. So 18 squared is 324 plus 5 to the power of 0. Well, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, and then we're going to square that whole thing. And divided by -5 cubed. Well, -5 cubed is -125. Okay, here we go. Let's simplify what's inside the brackets here. 324 plus 1 is 325. We're going to square that and then divide it by -125. 325 squared, oh, that is 105,625 divided by -125. And when we do that, you get a much more realistic answer. 105,625 divided by, oh, there you go, -845. Done, son. And that is it. I think. Let me double check the other side. Oh, you just have your questions for homework. Okay, right on. Excellent. Oh, and on this side, what would I like you to do? I'd like you to do number 10. Yes, I'd like you to do number 10. Actually number 10, and let's do number 12. Okay, right on. Have fun.